Welcome to another episode of my solo podcast series. Today we are going to be talking about meditation and more specifically about why you are not able to meditate. I know for a fact कि बहुत सारे लोगों का ये न्यू ईयर का रेजोल्यूशन है, इस साल का एक गोल है that they want to start meditating to calm their mind down, to kind of deal with the chaos in their life, to bring more clarity to their mind. All of these are some really amazing benefits of meditation. लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है that you sit to meditate and you're just not able to meditate? Have you also said the lines like, I tried it, but it's not working for me. I am not able to meditate. I am not able to focus during my meditate. My mind is racing into thoughts, etc., etc. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में भी आती होंगी. Meditation of late has become so popular, especially in the last decade or so, कि जो किताबें आज से 50 साल पहले लिखी गई थी, the books like The Miracle of Mindfulness, Zen Mind, Beginner's Mind, these were written in 1970, 1975. These are the books that are getting popular now, that people are now, reading them more and more, because meditation is not just, a beautiful spiritual practice to heal ourselves or to bring calmness to our life, but it is also the most important practice that we need to include on our day, especially the kind of lives that we are leading nowadays. We are so distracted, so lost, we live with so much confusion, we lack clarity, and all of these problems can be slowly worked with using meditation as a tool. तो चलिए, meditation की importance तो हम सबको पता है, लेकिन हम meditation क्यों नहीं कर पाते? Let's break that down today for you. अगर इनमें से कोई भी reasons आप resonate करते हैं, I'm also going to give you the solution for it so that you are able to incorporate meditation in your life. I really want all of you to see and live your best lives in this year, 2024. Alright, so the first reason that we can't meditate is that we are not clear about our meditation goals. अब इसका क्या मतलब है? Meditation के लिए कोई goal बनाना ज़रूरी है क्या? क्या मैं सिर्फ सुबह उठकर silence में बैठकर meditation practice नहीं कर सकता हूँ? Of course आप कर सकते हैं. But when you decide a goal for your meditation, when you know why you are doing meditation, why you want to meditate, then you find a deeper meaning to your meditation, You find a reason that inspires you from within. What is your reason to meditate? Are you meditating because others around you are meditating or the world is talking about meditation? Or is there a personal, deeper connection that you want to form with your own self that is going to inspire you from within to meditate? What is it that you want to meditate for? Why are you meditating? Just bring clarity for that. And that only reason will be, good enough for you to get at least kick-started into your meditation journey. Now, the second reason that people are not able to meditate is underestimating the power of routine. Do you have a meditation routine? And it's very important to have one. मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करती हूँ एंड वो लोग कहते हैं कि हम कभी सुबह कर लेते हैं, कभी दिन में कर लेते हैं, कभी शाम में कर लेते हैं, कभी 5 मिनट कर लेते हैं, कभी आधा घंटा कर लेते हैं, कभी हो ही नहीं पाता है. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस is not how a routine of meditation looks like. Having a routine not only sets up your body clock and your mental clock for allocating that particular time during the day, but it also helps you to structure your day better. है ना, जब आप कोई एक रूटीन बनाते हैं किसी चीज़ का कि मैं सुबह उठने के बाद 10 मिनट्स या 15 मिनट मेडिटेशन को दूंगा या दूंगी, तो उससे आप एक स्ट्रक्चर ले आते हैं अपने दिन के अंदर और एक कमिट कर देते हैं आप एक टाइम के लिए कि ये टाइम पे यही काम होगा, तो आप डिस्ट्रैक्शन से बच पाते हो और मेडिटेशन पे फोकस कर पाते हो. थर्ड रीजन वी कांट मेडिटेट इज दैट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग आवर माइंड टू बी क्वाइट ड्यूरिंग मेडिटेशन. We are expecting our mind to be thoughtless during our meditation, and this is absolutely not possible. So to expect that you will have no thoughts, जब आप meditate करने बैठोगे तो बिल्कुल एक zen mind हो जाएगा, एक calm mind हो जाएगा, कोई thought नहीं आएगा, बिल्कुल सब शांत हो जाएगा, everything will stop around you. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, at least in the beginning नहीं होने वाला है. Of course, with a long practice, with a prolonged practice of meditation, you can come to a state where your number of thoughts will reduce. But this mind going absolutely blank during the meditation, that is not something that you should expect or aim for even. The problem with this expectation is that you're hoping for your monkey mind to be silenced. Your mind is right now used to be jumping into various thoughts. Like right now I'm shooting here in my drawing room, in my living room, and my mind could be, going to a place in America or a beach in Goa or wherever. That is how fast our minds race and run, and they're constantly, thinking of something or the other. So don't try to expect that you'll have no thoughts during your meditation. The point I'm trying to get at is that start wherever you are with whatever state of mind you have. Just try to sit with yourself for 3 to 5 minutes initially. If you have never done it before, 3 to 5 minutes is a good duration to begin with for a couple of weeks or even a couple of months, and just observe your thoughts. Don't engage with your thoughts. If the thought is coming that what do you have to cook for lunch, let's say, then don't engage with it that these are my options, I want to cook this, I want to cook that. Just let it go. Just observe, let it go. Observe, let it go, instead of engaging with it. The problem starts to occur when we engage with it. Then we are giving into the distraction and the meditation goes for a toss. So I hope you will implement this and will be able to do the meditation. Now, another reason that we are not able to meditate is that we are not committed to a style of meditation. Now, हमने टाइम की बात कर ली, रूटीन की बात कर ली, लेकिन स्टाइल ऑफ मेडिटेशन भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. देयर आर वेरियस स्टाइल्स ऑफ मेडिटेशन दैट वर्क फॉर वेरियस पीपल. फॉर सम पीपल मेडिटेटिंग ऑन द साउंड ऑफ देयर ब्रेथ इज ब्यूटिफुल. फॉर अदर्स their minds are so racy that they are not able to sit with themselves in quietness. So maybe guided meditation is your way out. For some people, tuning into a sound, an external sound, maybe the noise of the fan or some music, that works better for them. For some people, meditating on an object works the best. Like I remember in my meditation class, our teacher used to do this meditation technique called the elephant meditation. And our teacher used to tell us to just imagine an elephant in our head and just meditate over the elephant and think as many things as you can. Think about the elephant, right from how it looks, the color of the body, the shape of the body, the different organs, how it moves, what it is doing in the jungle, how it bathes, and all of that. And that used to be our meditation. So even that could be your meditation, cutting from all the external noise and coming to the present moment where you're just thinking about one thing, right? So see what works the best for you. Commit to a style of meditation for some time, because when you are a beginner, if you do everything all together, you're just confused, and then again, the very purpose of meditation, gaining clarity, is just lost, right? तो कंफ्यूज होने की जगह किसी भी एक स्टाइल को पकड़िए और कम से कम 1 से 2 महीने उस स्टाइल के साथ रहिए. When you're able to do that easily and when you feel you're getting the results that you want, then you can increase your duration. Maybe you can change your style also if you want to, learn something else. The last and the final reason why you are not able to meditate is that you don't have a support network. जब भी हम कोई नई चीज़ अपने रूटीन में लेकर आते हैं, whenever we want to, enforce a change in our life, bring a change in our life, that needs some sort of hand holding and support. बहुत अच्छी बात है अगर आप ये अकेले कर पाएँ, कुछ लोग कर लेते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोगों को सपोर्ट लगता है. तो अगर आपके आसपास ऐसे लोग हैं जिनका दूर दूर तक मेडिटेशन से, स्पिरिचुअलिटी से, अपनी लाइफ में कामनेस लाने से कोई वास्ता नहीं है, और आप उनके साथ ही हैंग आउट करते हैं, एंड योर एवरीडे टॉक्स आर जस्ट अबाउट everything else other than meditation, then you will not be able to practice it properly, because we are what we think, what we talk through the day. So if through the day you're hanging out with people who don't believe in it, who don't support you in it, then you'll not be able to do it with ease. So the best way would be to maybe join a group that is kind of trying to learn meditation, to join a group class, to join an online community, or to watch a YouTube channel, or to watch some podcasts that will help you to gain clarity and give you that support, that inspiration that you need every day to continue with your practice. I would also like to suggest my podcast, The Journey Within podcast, that is all about taking the journey within to understand our inner world, where the processing of our thoughts, feelings, and emotions happen, where everything that you think about your life, the perspective that you have towards your life is built. And when you're able to connect with your inner world, when you're able to take the journey within, you are then able to shift your life, transform your life, and give it a more powerful meaning that works in your favor. So I hope you'll check out the episodes. I would like to end this video by recommending you a few books. I started with a couple of books. I talked about the one by Thich Nhat Hanh, that is The Miracle of Mindfulness. Then you have one by Suzuki that's called Zen Mind, Beginner's Mind. You can also check The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. That's one of my all-time favorite book. You can also check out The Power of Subconscious Mind. That is also a great book that will help you tap into this subconscious domain of your mind. I will not get into that subject right now, but I would just like to, tell you to start with what you have, where you are just today. Just start today without thinking too much, without expecting too much, without listening to too many opinions about it. Just you and your practice. Just become one with that and let this practice mature with you with time. Give it 6 months to a year and see what it shifts in your life. Don't just expect a magic to happen in the first couple of sessions. This is not a magic pill. It will certainly become a magic pill if you take it for long enough, but by its own, in just a couple of sessions, no, it's not going to do you much. So keep continuing with the practice. Keep coming back for more of these episodes that will help you to transform your lives with me, Shobha Rana. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.